Okay, I'm trying to get this camera kind of set up in the right spot here. Okay, so we've got the Brother HL-L2395DW printer. In the previous videos we unboxed the Amazon box and opened up the ink box. In the second box we opened up the ink from the ink box. In this video I'm going to open up this. There was 4 of these that came with the in the package. So far I'm very impressed with the packaging. And now this is supposed to be 3,000 pages. So obviously we remove this. Got a little orangey thing to protect it. And a little, of course, yellow bag to... Now, let's turn the printer on, don't you? Of course, you don't have to turn the printer on to do this, but... Alright, now this is... Now it comes in it with a gray... See, look, I'm already getting black gunk all over me. It comes out like that. There's the old one. I think the new one just slides in like this. I think that's it. So we gotta keep the gray thing came with the printer, obviously, so... That should be it. It looks easy. I mean, it looks simple enough. Well, let's see if I can... see. Hopefully I don't like too much of an idiot. Alright. It says, please, I don't have to see that. It says, please wait. So what it's doing is, okay. It says non-genuine supply. That's okay. Don't really care. Test print. Well, so we're going to do a test print. Let's see what we got. It should be good to go. And bullseye. There we go. So overall that looks pretty good. I guess that's the way it's supposed to look. Let's see if we can... Let's do another one just to... See if maybe it just takes a little bit of time for the ink to work its way through. I mean, to me that just seems a little... not all the way through, but we'll see what we got here. Yeah, maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. Okay, well, either way. So there you have it. There's some... gotta do that, can't talk. Test print pages. Here's the old cartridge, which I may save. Put it in the garage. I mean, I hate to throw... I mean, it seems like a waste to throw something this well designed away. So I may put it in the garage. So I don't know. I may throw it away. Who knows? But it's ready to go. So I'm excited. Get back to doing some printing. So there you have it. Unwrapping and installation.